Hi there, hi guys, welcome back with the second Sudoku, a Sudoku with 4 stars. In this additional, yes, with extra Sudokus in today's newspaper of Monday, February the 1st, 2021. Yes, second month. Wow, January was, well, we passed January. Days gone too fast. Yes. Alright. Second Sudoku, 4 star Sudoku, number 2257. And I've counted the printed digits 24. Alright, so let's get started. 5 missing numbers in this column. Two of those missing numbers are the 3 and a 1. We have a 3 and a 1 in this big square, so no 3 and a 1 in these 3 boxes. The 3 and a 1 goes in those 2 boxes. We see here 1, so no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 3 goes there. Alright. So we have a 1 in this column, 1 in the second column. Sorry, in the middle column, so the column next, the only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there. We see there 1, no 1 there, 1 should be there. 1 in the last column, 1 in the column next, so in that column, the only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there. We see there 1, no 1 there, 1 should be there. Then I cannot continue with the 1. Need more digits, more information. Alright. Let me see. Two. Alright. 4, 5, 5. 3 missing numbers in this column. Those numbers are the 4 is missing, the 8 is missing, and the 7 is missing. We see an 8, no 8 there. Here an 8, no 8 there. Only place for the 8 should be here. So 2 numbers left, the 4 and the 7. Let me mark those 2 boxes. 4 and the 7. Alright. Yeah. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 9. We see here 9, no 9 in those 3 boxes. 1 box left for the 9. Should be there. 3 missing numbers now in this big square. The 2 is missing. The 5 is missing. And the 6 is missing. 256. We see here 5, no 5 there. Here 5, no 5 there. Only place for the 5 should be there. 2 and the 6 are left. We see here 6, no 6 there. 6 should be here and the 2 goes there. 6 in this row. 6 in the second row. So the row above, only place for the 6 should be there. Alright. 3 missing numbers in this column. Those numbers are the 3 is missing, the 4 is missing, and the 8 is missing. We see here 3, we see there 4, so no 3 and a 4 in this box. The 3 and the 4 goes in these 2 boxes in this column. Let me mark those 2 boxes for the 3, so 1 digit left in this column for the number 8. 8 in this row, 8 in the middle row, so on the row below, the only 2 places for the 8 should be here or there. We see there an 8, no 8 there, 8 should be there. Then. How about All right, all right. 4, 7, and a 2. Three missing numbers in the first row. One of the missing numbers is a 2. Here cannot be a 2. We have a 2 there. So the 2 could be here or there. We see there 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here. 2 numbers left, the 4 and the 7 in the first row. We see here 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here. And the 7 goes there. One number left in this big square for the number 7. Then 4, 4. Yes. 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those numbers are the 4 is missing, the 3 is missing, and the 9 is missing. And look, we have a 4 here. So no 4 there, we have a 3 there. So no 3 there, so the 4 and the 3 goes in those 2 boxes. 1 box left in this big square for the number 9. 2 boxes left in this row for the numbers 9 and 7. Let me mark those 2 boxes. The other pair in this big square should be the 4 and the 2. We see here 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here and the 2 goes there. Yeah. 1, 1. Let me see. 2 in this column. 2 in the column next. So in that column, the only place for the 2 should be here. 2, 7, 4. 5 in this row, 5 in the middle a row. So the row above, only 2 places for the 5 should be here or there. We see there 5, no 5 there. 5 should be there. We have a pair. Look, 5 and an 8 in this column. 5 and an 8 in the last column. So the column between the 5 and the 8 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 5 and 8. The other pair in this big square should be for the numbers a 3 and a 6. 3 and a 6. So we have a 3 in one of those 2 boxes in this column. So this cannot be a 3 anymore. This should be a 4. This should be a 3. 2 boxes left in this column. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and the 9 are missing. 7 and the 9. We have an 8 there. 7 and a 9. We have a 9 here, so no 9 there. 9 should be here. And the 7 goes there. 9, 9, 7, 2, 4. 7, 2, 4. 2 numbers left. Wait. 1 number left in this column. 1, 2. The 3 is missing here. 3 is missing. 2 numbers left in this big square for the number 6 and 4. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 4 in this row, 4 in that row. So the middle row, the only place for the 4 should be here. 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 2 and 7. We see here 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 1 box left in this row for the number 3. 2 boxes left in this row for the numbers 9 and 7. 9 and 7. I cannot feel this yet. Need to wait, but we have a pair here. 9 and the 7 in this column. Alright. So these 3 numbers will be the 1, the 2 is missing, and the 6 is missing. 1, 2, 6, 1, 2, 6, 1, 2, 6. And look, we have a 2 and a 6 there. No 2 and a 6 in this box. 2 and a 6 goes in those two boxes as a pair. So one box left in this big square for the number 1. So we have a 1 in this column, 1 in the second column. So in the third column, the only 3 place for the 1 should be here, or there. We see here 1, no 1 there. Here 1, no 1 there. The only place for the 1 should be there. And all the 1s are used. I can see. Digit number 1 or number 1. Alright. Alright. 7. Okay. In this column, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 missing numbers in this column. The third column. One of the missing numbers is 7. We see here 7, no 7 there. Here 7, no 7 there. Here 7, so no 7 there. The only place for the 7 should be there. One box left in this row for the number 9. Now we have a 9 here, so this can't be 9 anymore. This box should be the 9, and this should be a 7. 7 in the third column, 7 in the second column. So in the first column, the only 3 places for the 7 should be here, or there. We see here 7, we see there 7, so no 7s in those two boxes. One box left for the 7 should be there. And all the 7s are used. I can see digit number 2, number 7. 2 boxes left in the first column for the numbers 3 and 5. 3 and 5. 3 and 5. Yes, 3 and 5. Okay. We have a 9 in the first column, 9 in the second column. So in the third column, the only 2 places for the 9 should be here or there. We see there 9, no 9 there, 9 should be there. 2 boxes left in the third column, the 2 and the 6, 2 and the 6. We see here 2, no 2 there, 2 should be here. And the 6 goes there. One number left in this big square for the number 6. 2 in this row, 2 in the row above. So in that row, the only place for the 2 should be there. And all the 2s are used. I can see digit number 2. Digit number 3, number 2. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 8 and 4. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 8 goes there. 2 numbers left in this row, the 3 and the 5, 3 and the 5. We see here 3, no 3 there, 3 should be here, and the 5 goes here. One number left in this big square for the number 5. Now we have a 5 there, so this can't be 5 anymore. This box should be the 5, and this should be an 8. Then now we have a 4 there, so this can't be 4 anymore. This box should be the 4. This should be a 3. Now we have a 3 there, so this can't be 3 anymore. This should be a 3, and this should be a 6. And the final 2 numbers of this big square for the numbers 6 and 8. 6 and 8. We have a 6 there, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 8 goes there. Finish in 14 minutes. All right. I like this one. 14 minutes. Not really a 4 Stars Sudoku, because if it's really a 4 stars, a hard one, then I need 30 minutes or more. But I like this one. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And don't forget, only if you like, only if you want to subscribe. And hit that bell button or bell icon, guys, to be notified by YouTube when I upload a new Sudokus to my channel. Thank you again for watching. Take care, stay healthy, and keep on puzzling. See you later with the last 2 Sudokus, a tectonic one and a binary one. See you later. Bye bye for now.